electricity, rent, so many things are there. So they have reduced the cost also.
Mm, right.
I think that's
Let
all
me.
I can assume of post-COVID things. Do you have any other point to add?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Nice talking to you.
Same here.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Thank you.
would you like to sign off, both of you?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. First of all, let me appreciate Bipin for having such a good command on English communication. And since you are from vernacular medium, it is really praiseworthy that the way you spoke English and your accent and your vocabulary. I mean, the way you use the phrases in the sentences, and of course your imagination. I mean, we can learn so many things, but we cannot learn that imagination, that imaginative power, which you had. So very good, Bipin. Uh, Fantastic, very good. And Benzir, good, very good, amazing. But again, you should have more content. So I was happy that we all were happy that you could understand what Bipin Mishra is saying, and you are reciprocating him so nicely. But at the same time, you must also have content since you are working in IT field and you have been working for few months, right? So it's expected from you that you also should have some contents. Okay, that's good that you could understand and you could get what he meant to say thoroughly, right? But now, what I would suggest you start watching all news videos and all. I mean, from wherever possible, you should start getting the knowledge regarding this world, right? It will definitely enhance your vocabulary and your skills. Okay, beta. Otherwise, it was good,
Yes.
and you are very confident. That's more important thing. Very good, Fancy. Confidence is, I mean, that plays vital role in communication, and you have that. You don't have to take much efforts on that. Okay, Benzir, very good, good girl. Okay, now we have next pair, that is Siddhi and Shreya. Siddhi Shirsat from Mumbai and Shreya Bankar from Baramati. So Siddhi and Shreya, we have to speak about importance of a mother in our life. आपल्या आयुष्यातलं आईचं महत्त्व. Okay, turn on your video and audio, Shreya. Okay, otherwise, I would request Siddhi and Soham. Siddhi Shirsat from Mumbai and Soham Bane from Mumbai. Importance of a mother in a life.
हॅलो सर.
Yes?
सर पण परत एकदा
Okay.
सांगा ना.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक
कनेक्ट
आहे.
झालं.
Okay. Shreya, topic is importance of a mother in a life. आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये आईचं महत्त्व काय त्या विषयावर बोलायचं आहे तुला आणि सिद्धीला. ठीक आहे श्रेया? श्रेया, आय एम ऑडिबल टू यू? कळलं तर विषय काय
येस
तो?
सर. रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम असल्यामुळे मध्ये मध्ये डिस्कनेक्ट होतो.
अच्छा अच्छा, हां. पण आपला कळलं विषय का आईचं महत्त्व, इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ अ मदर इन अ लाईफ. ओके, चलो.
हाय सिद्धी.
Hello, Shreya. Hello, Shreya. How are you?
आय एम फाईन. आणि यू?
I'm also fine.
start तसं कधी कळत नाही.
What do you think about mother's importance in her life?
Hi Shreya, what do you think about mothers in our life? I think mother is very closest person in our life. She is very caring person. Hello Shreya. Hello.
Hello?
Hello Shreya.
I think Shreya has a very bad network problem, so I think we would Shreya better if you join tomorrow. Okay. So Soham, are you able to join today? Because he sent me a message that there are some guests at his home. Okay, he's saying that it's not possible for him to join today. He will just listen. Okay, so we would request our guest. I mean, it is not a good to call him a guest. He could be as a participant because he's a very good friend of Bipin and he's our ex-student. Definitely, he would be much more comfortable with that introduction. Okay, so I would like to request Mr. Vikas Gupta to share his views on the importance of effective communication skill. Mr. Vikas Gupta from Bangalore.
Currently I'm using myself. So I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. First of
Okay.
all, just a quick video. Yeah. First of all, I hope that everyone is doing good during this unprecedented time. Like Vipin and don't remember the name of that girl, but yeah, they had this discussion regarding the life after COVID. So that was very interesting discussion, I would say, because yeah, the things which we used to fight for before COVID came into our life, we are now getting that. For example, in the context of the school kids, they used to fight for mobile phones. Now they easily have these mobile phones because parents understand that okay, if they don't have the mobile phones, they will not be able to attend the lectures which are being conducted online nowadays. So yeah, so that was a very interesting discussion, I would say. And yeah, so I just hope that you are doing good. Just be safe and be at home as much as possible. And I would just start with my brief introduction. Sir has already introduced me, but yeah, as I am a student of it is also Swami coaching classes. It's actually known and apart from this Lexicon English Academy. So I was a student of Swami coaching classes and I have been I've been working in IT industry for last 5 years now. And I when I understand the importance of English in our life. For example, if suppose within India itself, if I say, then even if we want to communicate with the people of South India, because I have been working in Bangalore for last 5 years, but now for last 1 year I'm in Mumbai because of the lockdown and work from home. So yeah, if you go to South India, basically there are people they don't understand Hindi well and they don't speak also. and some of they speak, but some of they don't speak, and even if they speak, they are not fluent enough, so they actually avoid to speak Hindi. So even if you are within India and if you want to do a job outside Mumbai or your native place, whatever wherever you are, or more specifically if you go to the South India side, so there you must know English. And this is within India. So there, because your day-to-day interaction will be with the people of that place, and there if you don't know English, then obviously they don't understand Hindi, then you don't have any option to, otherwise you have to learn in Kannada, which is which is much more difficult than English, I would say, because English is very easy language. If you just keep practicing it, you will easily understand it, and you will be easily able to speak and communicate in it. So this was within India. Now, if I take in the context of the whole world, or I would say across the countries, then see now I'm in IT industry. So here I have to often keep interacting with my colleagues which are in US or in Germany, or maybe in China. So I must have so basically English, as you know, that it is very common language, and it is useful, and also it is the much basically the used language to interact with the people of foreign countries. So I have to interact with those people. Then I must have be to command on the English. Otherwise, the impression they would have about me will be like, okay, he does not have good communication, and they would just avoid talking to me because maybe I'm not communicating with them properly, or maybe I'm not able to understand them properly, or maybe if they want me to do something and I'm not able to understand what they wanted to do me, because I could not just understand their language. And also, if you know English, then their accent and it will be very, very different. Then it will be very difficult for you to understand even if you know the English, what they are speaking. So that time, if you know English, then you have the positive side yourself. The positive advantage on your side, and then maybe you will be able to with the practice you will be able to understand their accent. So yeah, so this was like so basically what I would say, that English helps you communicate with the people around the world, or in your neighborhood as well. And apart from that, it gives you an advantage, so that you get good job, and so that you are able to speak confidently in interviews or the group discussions, or whatever rounds of interviews are there, right? So yeah, it basically boosts your confidence, and you are like you would have better respect in front of the interviewer, or someone else, that okay, you have a good communication skill. So they would basically, suppose I'm from IT industry, my core work is in the technical, but still I need to collaborate with the teams, other teams, or the colleagues, or my managers, or maybe product owners. So that time I should have good command on English, so that I'm able to convey to them that what I am thinking of, or what is my way of doing the things. So if I don't have a good communication skill, maybe I have the knowledge, but I'll not be able to speak up to them, and maybe I'll not be able to put my points. So that's why it is very important to have a good communication skill. And yeah, apart from this, maybe if you have any questions regarding this thing, then maybe yeah. But yeah, I had this on. And yeah, regarding improving the English, see, I'm also from Karnataka, and I totally understand the pressure of not able to speak English, because if I'm not able, when I was in my college, that time during the interview, I was so frustrated that, oh, I will not be able to speak, I will not be able to speak. But thankfully that I had basically I'm me a lot, and I still use those sentences which he used to teach us. So yeah, but how, what will improve your confidence? See, obviously, you will not have vocabulary at the beginning if you are from non-English background, or a family background is not like that. So there is no need to worry about that. Even you can speak English, you can English. Just believe me, English is very simple language, and you can. I mean, for example, in Hindi, if I just miss any word, then I'll not be able to convey the sentence properly. For example, मैं करता. Now if I don't see मैं करता हूँ, then I'll not be completing the proper sentence properly. So I need to know in Hindi properly. But in English, if you just say I doing this, then also they will understand. Okay, he meant this. So English is very simple language. But yeah, you need to be grammatically correct. I'm not just discouraging you that okay, you can speak grammatic, like whatever you're speaking should be grammatically correct. I mean that. But yeah, I was just giving you an example that okay, English is such an easy language that whatever you're conveying people, even if you're not speaking perfectly, then also people will be able to understand. So you need to worry about that. And vocabulary, as you keep on practicing, you will keep on getting vocabulary. What I used to do to improve my English is I used to practice in front of mirror before my interview, and that had helped me a lot. So, and for vocabulary, what I used to do, I used to take some paragraph from any of the articles. For example, some news articles maybe, or online you will get anything. So you just take that paragraph in English, you write it, and then you just read it 5-7 times, maybe 20 times, whatever you are comfortable with. And then you just try to speak that paragraph in front of the mirror, and then you will understand okay how I'm speaking, what is my accent, and what is where I'm actually lagging behind. So that will help you a lot. So just keep on practicing, you will just believe me, you will sail through this, and it is very easy language, and you will understand, and hopefully you will speak better English tomorrow, and then you will have better future. Yeah,
Okay.
and that's it from my side.
Yes. Thank you very much, Vikas Gupta, for joining us. And friends, let me tell you that Vikas Gupta was the winner of English speaking classes of a batch 2009-10. So that's why I thought it's a good idea to invite him as a guest speaker. Because and one important thing that he, like Bipin, he's also from vernacular medium, and even if he's from vernacular medium, he has evolved so beautifully that nobody would be able to identify that this guy doesn't belong to English medium. And during his lecture, he put one important point that of course English is a universal language. I mean, it is rightly said, if you want to see the world of knowledge, you have to have this window of English. And I remember when I was young and I used to try to speak in English, people used to make fun of me. They used to mock at me, and you know what, they used to pull my leg, especially my family members, my brother. He used to make fun of me. So you will often come across people who will make fun of you when you try to speak English, right? Because they don't know how to speak English fluently. But believe me, I did not give a hoot about what people think or talk about me. I just kept on practicing, and now when I see that they are somewhere else and I am somewhere else. So whenever somebody makes fun of you, just don't bother, just don't give them a hoot, forget them and go on your way. You will see the result after a few years. Okay, so in this way, and even one more important, let me give you my personal example. Even I am from vernacular medium, I am from Marathi medium, and from a BMC school. Like in villages, तुमच्याकडे रयत शिक्षण संस्थेच्या शाळा असतात जिकडे फ्रीमध्ये कोचिंग होते, तसं आमच्या मुंबईला BMCची शाळा असतात, मनपा शाळा, महानगरपालिकेची शाळा, तिकडे शिकलेलो आहे मी. त्यामुळे असं काही नाही की दॅट यू आर फ्रॉम वर्नाक्युलर मीडियम और यू आर फ्रॉम गव्हर्नमेंट स्कूल दॅट अँड यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, असं काही नाही आहे. इफ यू हॅव दॅट पॅशन अँड इफ यू हॅव दॅट परसेवरन्स, if you have consistency, if you have hard work, if you have vision, definitely you will be able to speak English fluently. Okay, so मनामध्ये अशा, you should not have that inferiority complex that मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा. यू कॅन डू इट राईट. तुम्ही आतापर्यंत एवढं केलेलं आहे अँड तुम्ही इतकं छान स्वतःला डेव्हलप केलेलं आहे अँड रिअली म्हणजे फक्त एका तासाच्या लेक्चरमध्ये तुम्ही लोकांनी एवढं इम्प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे आणि आपलं लेक्चर ऑनलाईन चालू आहे. त्यात मध्यंतरी गॅप होता माझ्या आजारपणामुळे आणि त्यात पण तुम्ही एवढं पिकअप केलेलं आहे एवढ्या 15-20-25 दिवसामध्ये. इट्स अनबिलिव्हेबल. व्हेरी गुड. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला खरंच तुम्हाला एक स्टँडिंग ओवेशन तुम्हाला मिळालं पाहिजे. व्हेरी गुड. ओके. सो सगळ्यांनी छान पिकअप केलेलं आहे अँड सो आय थिंक आता आपल्याकडे काय झालं आहे अँड इफ एनीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग computer field or software field, maybe IT field, so you can ask Vikas. Otherwise, we will start our new fragment. Okay. So, any question for Vikas sir? No, na? ओके. सो मिसेस अरुणा आहिरे आहेत आपल्याकडे आणि सिद्धीचं बाकी होतं. मग मिसेस अरुणा आहिरे आणि सिद्धी, माझी अशी इच्छा आहे की तुम्ही या विषयावर बोलावं. इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ मदर इन आर लाईफ. आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये आईचं महत्त्व. सो आणि लेक्चर संपल्यावर तुम्हाला री-एंट्री करायची आहे. ठीक आहे. लेक्चर 6 असतं ना त्यामुळे. ठीक आहे. येस सिद्धी. Okay. Mrs. Aruna Ahire, can you join? Yes, okay.
Hello.
Hello.
हाँ
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
What about you think